looking for?
See if you can guess.
Your teddy bear?
No, I'm looking for my mommy and brothers. Have you seen them?
No.
I guess I'll have to keep looking. Hey, I don't need this. I can walk just like a big kid. I have long, thin legs. Oh, but not this long. There, these are right.
Your little legs are cute. Can you fly?
I can't. My wings are too small.
You have wings?
Mm-hmm. But my wings aren't nearly that pretty. Mine are short and rounded. All of this running around has made me hungry. Hey, bottles are for babies. I eat weed, insects, worms, snails.
All that?
Sure. I have to eat a lot to grow up big.
But how do you eat?
With my beak. It's so strong I can break stones with it.
Oh. Wow! Oh, no!
Oh, I really wish I could cuddle my mommy right now. I want my mommy.
But don't your feathers keep you warm?
No, they don't. I have soft down. Achoo!
Oh, you're so cute. You look like a pom-pom on legs.
Hey, that's my mommy. My family's calling me.
Wait. You're an animal with 2 legs, a pointy little beak, short bird wings, and you're yellow. I know what you are. You're a chick.
That's right. How on earth did you get?
Wow! You sure run fast.
Yeah, I'm fast and strong and love working in the country.
What kind of work do you do?
Try to guess.
Are you a tractor?
No, but I can pull very heavy loads. My favorite thing of all is to give my friends rides. I don't have wheels. I have 4 strong legs.
Great! Let's go for a ride. Wait, what's that sound?
Oh, when I walk, everybody knows it's me. Listen. My trot sounds like that. And my gallop?
Hey, don't go away. Come back.
I love running on the prairie.
Wow, what do you see there?
Oh, I see cowboys. Yee-haw! Howdy, partner.
Oh, do you see Indian warriors too?
Sure, but I don't have feathers. I have a shiny coat and lovely long tail. See?
Ooh, you're beautiful. Now, could we go for that ride?
Sure, but only if you say the magic word.
Giddy up. Oh, wait. You're an animal that works hard. You have 4 strong legs, a smooth, shiny coat and long tail, and people ride you. I know what you are. You're a horse.
That's right. How on earth did you guess?
Be careful.
Huh? What is it?
Look, there's a puddle.
Oh, you scared me. I thought there was a wolf.
How will you get across?
Try to guess.
Will you jump across? No, those legs are too short. Yuck, now you're all dirty.
I don't mind.
What are you doing?
Taking a bath.
In mud?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's right. Oh, my mother insists I have a bath every day.
Your mommy has funny ideas. What are you doing now?
I'm looking for potatoes. They're buried around here somewhere.
How will you find them?
With my nose. Oh, no. My nose is flat and round and has 2 big holes in it.
Why are you grunting like that?
I'm not grunting. I'm calling my brothers. Hi, guys. 1, 2, 3. We each get 1 potato.
Hide! The wolf is here! Just kidding.
That wasn't funny.
Do you have a tail?
Yes, a curly tail.
Great! Wait! You're an animal with pretty pink skin, short legs, pointy ears, a pink corkscrew tail, and a useful snout. I know what you are. You're a pig!
That's right. How on earth did you guess?
Why did you stop so suddenly?
Try to guess.
Because you're stuck in traffic?
No, that's not it. I live in the country.
Are you tired?
Me? Not at all. I'm in great shape. And strong.
Oh, so you can pull a cart?
An empty cart? Anybody can do that. Easy peasy.
Oh.
Put me down.
Come on. Let's go.
Nope.
Move it.
No, I don't want to. Hey, what are you doing?
You're stubborn.
If you want me to move, you'll have to ask me nicely.
Will you please come this way?
Huh? What was that? I can't hear you.
Of course you can't. You don't have ears.
Oh, yes, I do. I have two perfectly good ones. They're long and lovely, if I do say so myself.
Those aren't ears. They're socks. Wait. You're a stubborn animal. You have long ears, and you say hee-haw. Oh, I know what you are. You're a donkey.
That's right. How on earth did you guess?
What's in your tummy?
Try to guess.
An apple?
That's impossible. I don't have any teeth.
I know. You're making popcorn.
Hey, oh. Well, you mustn't shake me. I'm very fragile.
Say, you have wings?
Yes, beautiful soft feathered wings.
But you don't even know how to fly.
I prefer walking.
Are you an ostrich?
Oh, no, I don't take long steps. I take short steps. Like this. Watch. One step, one pause. One step, one pause. One step, one pause.
What do you have on your head?
Lovely, isn't it?
Well, if you think so.
I'll have to ask you to leave me now, if you don't mind. I mustn't be disturbed.
Is it nap time? Hey, don't get angry.
I'm not angry, I'm singing.
I know why you're singing.
Really? Why?
Wait. You're an animal with wings, a beak, and feather crown. I know what you are. You're a hen. And you lay eggs.
That's right. How on earth did you guess?
Why are you up so early?
Try and guess.
To gaze at the stars?
I've got better things to do than that. Oh, too high. Oh, good. I'm the first to arrive.
Arrive where?
Why, on the fence, of course. I always get here first. I'm scrappy in the morning.
Oh, really?
A big kick here, a little scratch there, and a peck with my beak. Oh, careful, my girlfriends are on their way.
Your girlfriends?
You betcha. They're crazy about me. When they see me, they go completely nuts. They even pluck my feathers. Look at this chest.
Wow.
And my crest. Check it out.
Are you a singer?
I'm a star, and I'm sure you've heard my latest hit. Look, even the sun gets up to enjoy my performance.
Wait. You have feet, wings, a beak, a crest, and a lovely feathered tail. I know what you are. You're a rooster.
That's right. How on earth did you guess?
Oh, I've had quite enough of that bleating sheep.
How come?
Try and guess.
It's bleating too loudly?
No, it's that he follows me everywhere I go.
Don't you want to play with him?
No,
Why not?
because I have much stronger legs and I love jumping around.
And the sheep can't?
No, when he jumps, he gets overheated. Up, up, up. No? He's too afraid of heights to do it.
Why don't you go for a walk together?
That's impossible. This little scaredy cat is too afraid of the big, bad wolf.
Oh. And you're not afraid of the wolf?
No, I have horns.
Hey! It's not nice to kick.
Bah, bah. Forgive me.
Wait! You're a jumpy animal with legs, fur, horns, and a cute little beard. I know what you are. You're a goat.
That's right, bah. How on earth did you guess?
What are you eating?
See if you can guess.
Are you chewing gum?
No, I'm eating grass.
You have horns.
Well, sure. Don't be ridiculous. These aren't horns.
So, are your horns big?
Golly, no, not that big. My horns are nice and short. Yes, that's much better.
And do you have legs?
Of course I do. Look.
1 leg, 2 legs, 3 legs, 4 legs, 5 legs. That's no leg. It looks like a rubber glove you wear for washing dishes.
Oh, it's not a rubber glove. Actually, it's my udder.
Oh!
What's so funny?
Look at you. You're bare naked.
Oh, gosh, I don't have my skin on.
Skin? Is it hairy?
You're being ridiculous again.
Is this better?
Even more ridiculous. My skin has short fur and it's covered with patches.
Patches of jam? Chocolate patches?
No, black patches.
Wait! You're a quiet animal with nice short horns, 4 legs, an udder, and patches? I know what you are. You're a cow!
That's right. How on earth did you guess?
Oh, boy, am I ever hot.
How come?
See if you can guess.
You live in the desert?
No, there's lots of grass where I live.
Wow, you ate it all up.
I was very hungry. That dog is so annoying.
What's he saying?
He's saying, woof, woof, be careful, woof, woof, or the wolf will eat you
The
up.
wolf? Aren't you afraid?
Oh, me now.
Are you sure? Oh, I'm the wolf.
Help, wolf, Mama. Oh, I'm scared.
I was just kidding.
That was a mean trick. Because of you, I'm hotter than I was before.
Have a little swim. That'll cool you down.
Oh, no. I wouldn't dream of getting my wool wet. It takes forever to dry. I love my soft wool.
What would happen if I pulled on this thread?
No, don't do that.
I bet you're nice and cool now.
Why did you do that? Now I'm freezing. Bah. Oh, well, it will grow back, I guess.
Wait. You're an animal with hooves. You have tiny little ears and very soft wool. I know what you are. You're a sheep.
Bah, bah. That's right. How on earth did you guess? Bah, bah, bah.